Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll be diving into the manufacturing function, specifically focusing on the sub-function items under the bill of materials. Let's get started. First, navigate to the manufacturing module located in the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Manufacturing to access the main dashboard. Once inside the manufacturing module, under Bill of Materials, click on the items to manage your inventory. Here, you'll find a list of all the items in your inventory. To add a new item, simply click on the Add Items button located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, you can begin filling out the details for your new item. Start by entering the item code, which is a unique identifier for this item. Next, select the appropriate item group to categorize your item. Once you've provided all the necessary information, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of the form. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new item to your inventory. Now, let's explore how to manage existing items. To edit an existing item, simply click on the item from the list to open its details. From there, you can make any necessary changes and save them accordingly. Here, you can modify any information related to the item, such as its pricing, stock levels, or manufacturing details. Once you've made your adjustments, remember to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively manage items within the manufacturing function of Parsimony. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you maximize your Parsimony experience.